Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do a try not to laugh challenge. It's called if you don't laugh, you have no soul. So let's basically go in.
Go guys. Oh man!
That's even funny. But this is all of it, but it actually isn't funny. I can see this guy really wants to go back in the race. He really wants to win. That guy doesn't really care. He wants to go back on the race. The ref just won't come, they won't help. At the end of the scene, he will. Okay, he's coming, don't worry. Failure came. Yeah, look.
Well done. I'm especially sending it back. And let me just tell you.
I've already watched this. There's a swearing on it, but I think they bleep out, so we're good.
Yeah, in terms of well done, look, we praised it. What is that? It's well done. That is well done, so stop bringing me shit! What about this, Gordon? That is well done! What about this? It's well done! Look at it, it's well done, we praised it! That's gristle, you fucking idiot! Okay. What is that? Idiot.
Okay, they didn't bleep it out.
Look, it's white inside, idiot! Okay. Oh my god! What a fucking...
I don't know why they did that duplicate. I feel like one eagle when it goes on his window and blinks. Fast motion, okay? What was that? I knew it.
How much money do you have?
I would say I'm being humble, but I actually don't know.
I would just like to ask, how many of you have autism, and if so, has it helped you in your modding career?
That's a
Now, don't
fairly
everyone
personal
speak
thing
up
to
at
ask them.
once.
I think we're going to refuse that question, I think.
Oh yeah, I love this.
sauce, thank you. Are you ready to be a soap star?
We're ready. Let's go. Make me a soap star.
How about a little?
Yes.
That one was funny. Not that much talking.
Hi, my name is Carla Shaw. You can stop at 5 or 6 stores or just one. I don't need friends. They disappoint me.
Hi, I'm Todd LaRue.
Honey, you could stop at 5 or 6. You could stop at 5 or 6 stores, or just one.
I know what they're talking about, but they all do the same thing.
Liberty from here.
Just one. I can't stand it when she touches me.
I can't believe you've done this.
I can see the Statue of Liberty from here.
You could stop at 5 or 6 stores for just one. I can't stand it when she touches me.
People say that time heals all wounds.
I can't believe you've done this.
I want to cut this video real quick. So I'm going to go for a bit. So guys, we are now back. We'll continue watching it.
So basically, what I was thinking of,
I need to go see to them. Okay, let's keep on going.
I can't believe you've done this. Oh, fuck.
Fucker right in the pussy!
You've done this. Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this. So basically, what I was thinking of is, you've done this. Can't believe you've done this. Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this. So basically, what I was thinking of is, oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this.
You will when you believe.
Thank you, Deborah. Was she that good?
Your voice is okay. You've got no star quality about you. There's no charisma.
No charisma?
Yeah, I agree with Sharon. A bit pub singerish, I thought.
Really?
Yeah. I felt your confidence was slightly deluded. Deborah, the reality is you're not very good.
Now, you know what? You were the one person I didn't want to see today because I really want to slap you now.
But you are not a good singer.
I'm not a good singer. That is why I've been a singer since I was 6-year-old, and everyone I've ever met, people who don't even like me, have come up to me and told me I've got an amazing voice. You can't bloody sing, mate.
I don't want to be a singer.
I don't really care what you think. You can't sing. You have no talent. Get out.
All right, Louis, yes or no?
Absolutely 100% rubbish. She's got a really bad attitude.
I don't
she
think
will
so.
never be a star in the music business.
I don't think, no, I like her.
I'll never be a star. I'm already a star, sweetie.
Ever.
Sharon decides to remove her from the room. But Debbie's not finished yet.
I really want to throw your water on it.
Debbie storms back in. But Louis sees what's coming.
I've not passed it yet. It's not mine.
I saw it coming. I saw that coming. You threw water over. Because she was going to do it to me.
Sky, did your friends really hold you hostage in room 208 yesterday?
Oh, keep forgetting that I'm doing a video, guys.
What?
Well, that is the end, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. So I'll see you next time. Goodbye.